back. I know, old style filming. Well, it's gonna be short. Alright, so I have the GoPro. And I got this new microphone, which you could tell in the latest video. So I've been working on it, and I'm looking at all the stuff GoPros have for like accessories, and they have these gimbals that help stabilize the camera. But why should I buy that when I can just make one? So this is a GoPro gyro stabilizer. So yeah, it doesn't work so well when you do that because on the tripod. I need to extend this out, but when it's real close to the tripod like this and I'm on a hill, let's say it's still stable. I mean, yeah, of course it's not going to be stable like that, but on a hill, it'll stay stable. Let's say I hit it back, it's still stable. So I really like it, and this only took a few hours to print. I mean, it does that, but a few seconds and it's back to normal. But yeah, I just got a 1,000-gram weight on the bottom, put my microphone clips onto it, and then stays pretty stable. I tried to keep the bushing stiff as possible, but still good movement, because you don't need to jiggle back and forth. Ta-da! So yeah, I just want to share that little inside info. I'm going to be using this on almost all my videos now. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys.